Thanks for stopping on our channel, which is dedicated to central heating. And as you can see, I've been doing this a long time. Whether you install or you have heating, hopefully my videos will make a difference, but please leave me a comment in the section below. Lights, action, camera, let's begin. When it comes to wiring controls, for example, here we've got two zones, one for hot water, one for heating. Residio would call this a S-plan. In the box would be a piece of paper with black lines on a white background, which for a lot of installers is quite difficult. And if we look at a close-up, for example, in their book, you would see this, and which makes life a lot easier. And I'll show you an even better close-up anyway. And the book I'm talking about is this one here, which has got, this is the latest version, as it were. It's number 19. And it gets better and better every issue that comes out. But it's still very small lines on a white background. So what I've done with their permission is turned it into colour. And if you have a look on the different pages, you can see here, what I've done is I've made it much easier to follow the drawings and make it easy to install and hopefully fault free, because each line has got a colour. And if we look here on this side here in the orange book, this is a Danfoss typical version. This is called the schematic. So there's no wiring strip or wiring centre. All it tells you is, from the programmer, heating on goes to 1, turn it up, 2 becomes live. When that becomes live, it sends 230 volts into the brown wire. The motor moves across, makes the orange wire live, and that's connected to the pump, which has to run first, and then the boiler fires up. Very simple process, very easy to follow if it's in colour. So if we look here, as you can see, there's all the different colours put into place. So in the book, I've put in the same schematic and without the earth wire and the neutral wire. So you just have the lives. And again, if we start here from central heating on, is terminal 4 on the programmer, so that's on the back of here. All of them are the same, it doesn't matter who makes it, they all follow the same procedure. Neutral, then live, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is central heating on. That goes down to the strip here at 4. So 4 goes to 4, goes to 1 on the room stat, 3 on the room stat goes down to 5, where it meets the brown wire of the zone valve. Exactly the same as Danfoss and Drayton and all of the other manufacturers. But the difference is, ours are in colour. And I've put inside all of the most popular styles that you are. So you're looking at white plan from the different companies, which is mid position, 3 zone from the different companies, and nest and hive, and all the fault finding graphs that you would need. So if you're not sure of wiring and you're not really confident that you can follow these sorts of drawings, which is quite normal, but unless you're really good, you could make a mistake. Hopefully, with my orange book, you won't. And it's available from the website, mrcombi.com. Thanks for watching the video, and if you'd like to comment, there's a section below, and subscribe to our channels for regular updates on our next projects. Take care.